Meet Rob. He is the site manager of a large enterprise distribution center. Roughly 30% of the candidates that Rob selects to fill shifts roles never show up for work. Rob wishes he could reduce no-shows and drop-off, and when they do happen, redeploy workers quickly to backfill the open shifts. Like Rob, 90% of managers in enterprises across industries struggle to fill shift roles. The complexity in communication between field managers and internal PMO often slows down the entire process. The search for a solution to his problems led Rob to WillHire OnDemand. WillHire OnDemand is a fully VMS integrated mobile solution that revolutionizes your enterprise procurement process for managers like Rob to easily request workers to fill as many shifts as needed within minutes. Simply tap to request workers for open shifts. An AI engine matches the best candidates within a 30-mile radius. Candidates get a push notification and text. Candidates accept the job. The hiring manager selects the workers while a backup bench of talent is on standby. Ahead of their time for work, the workers are reminded of their upcoming shift. With geofencing technology, site managers like Rob can automatically detect any workers who will be late and any candidates who fail to show up. The backup bench of talent is alerted to fill the open shifts. Rob's distribution center now runs efficiently, and he no longer struggles with unfilled shifts. WillHire OnDemand. Save time, reduce cost, and never leave a shift unfilled. Get started today by visiting willhire.co/ondemand. Download us on Apple or Google Play Store.